Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a piece of hardware that aims to change the way you cook in small spaces. This is the Waatfeet double induction cooktop. If you live in a studio apartment, work in a small office, or just need an extra pair of burners for when you are hosting a holiday dinner, you have likely struggled with limited counter space. That is exactly where this ultra-thin unit comes into play. Let us start with the design. This cooktop features a very slim, minimalist profile. It does not feel bulky or heavy, which makes it perfect if you need to store it away in a cabinet when you are not using it. Despite its small footprint, it packs 1,800 watts of power. It uses independent controls for both burners, which is a major advantage. You can boil water on one side for tea while you sauté vegetables on the other, and you never have to worry about the heat settings interfering with each other. The interface is straightforward. You get smart button controls that cycle through 10 power levels from P1 to P10. There is also a dedicated max button if you need to bring a pot to a boil quickly. I found the controls to be very responsive. Having that clear display on the surface makes it easy to monitor your heat levels without second-guessing where you are at. One of the features I appreciate most is the 3-hour timer. It is perfect for slow cooking or simmering stocks. You can set it and walk away without the anxiety of forgetting to turn the burner off. It adds a layer of convenience that you simply do not get with traditional hot plates. Now, let us talk about compatibility. Because this uses induction technology, it works by magnetic heating. If your current pots and pans are made of copper, glass, or ceramic, they will not work here. You need magnetic cookware. A quick tip is to use a magnet on the bottom of your pan. If it sticks, you are good to go. This might be a hurdle if you have a kitchen full of non-stick pans that are not induction ready, but the efficiency and safety of induction are well worth the switch. In terms of pros, the portability is the clear winner. It is lightweight, efficient, and very easy to clean thanks to the glass surface. The safety lock feature is also a great addition, especially if you have children or pets in the house. The cons are really limited to the cookware requirement and the fact that 1800 watts shared between two burners means that if you max out both sides simultaneously, you might not be getting the full power on both burners at the same time compared to a high-end built-in range. However, for a portable solution, it is more than capable. Overall, the Waatfeet double induction cooktop is an excellent tool for anyone looking to optimize their kitchen setup without a massive renovation. It is functional, sleek, and gets the job done. If you are looking to upgrade your cooking game in a dorm or a small apartment, this is a solid investment. Link in the description.